first graders. Today for math, we are going to continue practicing subtraction. Today's strategy and I can't statement says, I can draw a picture to subtract. So the strategy we're going to use today is drawing a picture. Okay? So you practiced circling 10 and then subtracting yesterday. Now we're going to practice, we're going to look at some pictures today, but we're mostly going to draw our own picture now so that we can subtract. Okay? In order to be successful today and prepared, all you'll need is your whiteboard and you will need your math workbook. Remember topics B, C, and D. Turn to the page that says lesson, oh, that's kind of dark. Lesson 15 problem set at the top. Okay? And the first thing you will see is a whole bunch of pictures that show subtraction with some number sentences over here. Okay? So go ahead and pause me and grab those things if you need to. I will go ahead and erase our I can't statements now so we can get started. Okay. I'd like you to grab your whiteboard. And together, we're going to practice drawing a math picture to show this problem. "13 take away 9. So you can also write that number sentence on your board. 13 take away 9. Now, they're not giving us pictures for us to just cross off today. Today we have to do the whole thing by ourselves. 13 take away 9 means that I'm going to have 13 in my picture, and when I go to cross off, I will cross off this many. I will cross off 9. So, let's practice using nice, neat rows of 5. Okay? Here we go. We need 13. 13 is going to give me 10 and 3 more. So let's do 2 rows of 5 so that we make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 3 more. 11, 12, 13. Now let me show you something. You don't have to draw it this way, but in your book you will also see it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they will leave a space and they will do their next group of 5. So we have 5, then 10, then 3 more. Okay, this is really long and skinny. It might be hard to fit in some of the space that they give us today. So that's why if I'm making 10, sometimes I'll do 2 rows of 5 on top of each other. Okay, but either one works. So I want to always double check that I have the right amount of circles before I cross off. I need 13. I see 10, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, good. Now I'm going to be taking away 9. Okay, remember yesterday when we practiced circling the 10 first and then we took away from the 10? Well, look, here's our 10, right? We're going to take away our 9 from the 10. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I know if I take 9 away from 10, I should have 1 left. Now, that's not all I have left. Look at, we still have these guys over here. So, if we had 13 circles and we took away 9, how many circles are left? I see 1 and 3. 3 and 1 makes 4. 13 take away 9 equals 4. Awesome job. Do you want to try one yourself now? Go ahead and erase. Make sure in your math picture you draw nice, neat rows of 5. Let's try this one. 16 take away 9 equals. Go ahead and you can try. If we're making the number 16, let's first, I know that 16 is more than 10, so I'm going to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, there's a row of 5, and 16. Wow. So, 16 is made up of 10. That 1 means there's a 10 in there. And 6 more. That's where my 6 comes. Okay? So we have 16 in our picture now. Make sure, does your picture look like mine? Do you have neat rows of 5? If you don't, it's going to be very hard to make sure that you're counting correctly and make sure that you're crossing off correctly. So the neater, the better. Okay, now we have 16. We must do take away or subtract 9. Do we want to take away 9 from 6 or from 10? Well, 9 is too big to take from 6, so I'm going to take away from my 10 over here. 9 is 5 and 4 more, so a whole row and 1, 2, 3, 4 more circles. Now I see what I have left. Boys and girls, what do we have left in our picture? We have 6 still and 1 more. 7. If you do not have 7 left in your picture, either you did not start with the right number or you did not subtract the right amount of circles. So if you ever have that problem where you get an incorrect answer and you need to go back and check it, first make sure you started with the right amount of circles and then make sure that you crossed off the right amount of circles. Awesome work. All right, first graders, you can erase your boards and we're going to go ahead and take a peek at our math book now. Remember, we are on the page that says Lesson 15 problem set at the top, and I see all of these math drawings already done for me with all these number sentences that already have answers. That's silly. Let's find out what they're there for. It says match the pictures with the number sentences. Ooh, so I'm going to draw a line from the number sentence that matches the picture. So let's work through these. We're going to go through a little quickly so that we can get to what our learning target or our I can statement wants us to do today, which is draw those pictures ourselves. Okay, so letter A says 13 take away 9 equals 4. So what we're looking for is the picture that started with 13 circles and then took away 9. Do you see a picture here that is 13 circles? 13 would mean there is 10 and 3 more. Let's see. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nope, I need 13. There's 10 and 8. Ooh, 10 and 8 is 18. I don't need that. I need 13. There's 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, bingo! That's what I'm looking for. Let's make sure they take away 9. They took away 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. So I'm going to draw my line from that to that. Good. Let's see if we can find the next one, which is 14 take away 9. Which picture shows 14 or 10 and 4 more? Can you find the picture that shows 10 and 4 more? Now, I see 10 and 4 more here. Look, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. They took away 9. Let's make sure they have 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bingo! Draw your line. Okay, let's find 17 take away 9 equals 8. Where do I have 17 circles? Well, these two we already counted. This one was 16. This one was 18. Oh, we don't need those. We need 17. So that leaves us this one. Let's see. 10, 5, 6, 7. 10 and 7 makes 17. Take away 9. Gave them 8 left. Good. And now we have these labeled here. 16 and 18. So let's see. Ooh, 18 take away 9 equals 9. Here's 18. They took away 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And they have 8, 9 left. Good. Draw your line. And that must mean 16 take away 9 equals 7. And that matches perfectly. So draw that last line. Awesome. Now let's practice more of our drawing our own pictures. Okay? All right. It says draw 5 group rows. 5 group rows means we're drawing those nice, neat rows of 5. Visualize and then cross out to solve. Complete the number sentences. All right, just like we did on our whiteboard. Let's get started. We have 11, take away 9. So how many circles are we going to draw? We're going to draw 11. Here we go. Nice row of 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I need 11. So 10 and one more is 11. All right, I'm taking away how many? I'm taking away 9. So I'm going to visualize. I can take 9 from 10. Here we go. A whole row of 5 and 4 more is 9. How many are left? 2. Good. Let's do one more together, and then I want you to try a couple on your own. Number 3 says 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9. So remember, our I can statement today says draw a picture to subtract. Can you draw a neat picture of 13 so you can subtract 9? Let's see. You can do it with me if you need a little help. 13 shows me a 1, so that means a 10. Remember, it's a hidden. A 10 and 3 more, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Make sure you have 13 circles before you go crossing off to make sure you're going to get the right answer. Notice how my circles are not super itty-bitty that I can't see them. I leave space in between them so that they don't get smunched together. Okay, and I can easily see where my 10 is and the rest, 13. All right, we're going to take away how many? 9. Let's do that. 5 and 4. I'm left with 3 and 1 more. What is 3 and 1? 4 is my answer. Great job. Why don't you take a minute and try 16 take away 9 on your own? I'm going to give you about a minute or so to work on it, and then we will go over it and you can check your answer. Go ahead, draw your picture to subtract 16, take away 9. All right. Hopefully you started your picture with 16. 16 is 10 and 6 more. So we should have a group of 10, 2 rows of 5, and 6 more. That makes 16. Take away 9. We should have crossed out 5 and 4 more. And all that's left is 6, 7. So 16 take away 9 equals 7. All right, let's buzz through one more, and then you can head over to Seesaw to show me what you know today. Okay? 17 take away 9. Let's do it. We're going to start with our 17 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Going to start a new row of 5. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, nice and neat. Now, first graders, how many are we going to take away or cross off in our picture? We drew 17. Now we must subtract 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That leaves me 7 and one more, which is 8. 17 take away 9 equals 8. Great job! Now if you feel like you want to have more practice, there is plenty more here on the next page. See how this is also lesson 15 problem set? If you want more practice, please go ahead and finish this page up. If you feel like you are ready to show your teacher what you know today and you understand how to draw a picture to subtract, you may head back to Seesaw and do your exit ticket for today. Make sure when you turn your exit ticket in, it is done neatly and your teacher can read all your numbers and your pictures are nice and neat in rows of 5 like we practiced today. I can't wait to see what you do. Good luck and have fun.